Let's talk about how to use AI to generate content ideas to attract high-paying clients so that you can get richer, so that you can be happier, so that you can take care of your people. If you're new, my name is Michael Benjamin. I have a credit/business funding business, and we're on a mission to help fund $1 billion to small business owners so that we can achieve our goal, right? So, two of my sales calls today, I was just talking with a couple clients in regards to our 10K program because we have a 10K program to help credit repair business owners scale, and this is through systems and funding. But basically, they were asking me, how do I come up with content ideas? I'm tired of hearing this question being asked. I'm tired of singing in my DMs. I'm tired of all of it. So I'm going to answer the question in this video, right? So just to give you an example of a high paying client, right here, we got my client Luis $35,000 at 0% interest. If you know, with the funding, you get 10% success fee. We made $3,500. That's just one bank. And on average, we go to multiple lenders, right? So we're probably gonna get him at least over 100K, right? And just for numbers, that's at least $10,000 per client. So I think it's safe to say that we are attracting a high paying client. Also, our credit repair offer, anywhere from 2 to 3 grand. Those are typically our contracts. So just to let y'all know, if you don't know me from nowhere, if you haven't been watching my videos, if you've been living under a rock, that is what I mean, right? When I'm talking about attracting high paying clients. So watch the entire video. So I want y'all to really stop overthinking it, right? Because I see so many people, they're just like, oh, I don't know what content to create. I don't know what my niche should be. I don't know what this, I don't know. If you don't know, you're going to stay poor. I don't want y'all to stay poor. I don't want y'all to die poor. I don't want y'all to be associated with poor at all. That's why I'm putting out this video so that it can help you. It can help you with your ideas. It can help you get to the next level. It can help you serve clients. It can help you be happier. It can help you get richer. So stop overthinking it. Like literally do everything I say in this video and you're going to be good, right? So the delivery, a lot of people they mess themselves up just off of this too. They're just like, okay, I don't have a content idea. Now they have a content idea. How do I record the content idea? You can literally do what I'm doing right now, which is a Google Doc, right? And this is on Zoom. Everybody got access to this, right? If you consider yourself a business owner, you have no excuses not to be able to do something like this. So get on Zoom, share the screen, go over the damn notes, right? Type the thing up, pay someone to type it up for you. Stop overthinking the damn process. Talking head video. Hold on. Let me stop sharing. So this is an example of a talking head video. When I'm just talking to you like this, right? Talking head video. I could be like, okay, 5 banks that pull Experian, 0% interest credit card. Go to Chase, go to Citizens, etc. Right? So this is a talking head video. Let's get back to the presentation so I can get y'all on the next one. That y'all can see my screen. So yeah, my whole thing, stop overthinking it. So that's a talking head video. And you can do Google Slides. So if you go to my channel, I think the main video on my channel at the time I'm recording this, where I'm talking about the best business model to start in 2025. That's Google Slides. Literally read off the damn screen, right? Don't make this stuff difficult. Do not make this stuff difficult. This is very simple, right? So how are we gonna get ideas? So I usually use ChatGPT, but one of my mentors put me onto a Claude.ai. So that's what we talk. My thing is not clear. Okay, no, it's back. It's blurry. What's going on? All right, so we gonna use Claude.ai. And I'm gonna give you a freebie at the end, so stay until the end or click the link in the description if you want to get the freebie automatically because we're basically gonna help you attract more high-paying leads. So let's get straight to it, right? Because once you create this content, it's gonna help you get those leads. You're gonna have your top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. But let's get straight to it. So you can substitute how you want, but this is what I created. So let me just make this bigger. And I will highlight it. Hold on. Let me put it yellow. So, oh, that's way too big. Pause. Hold on. Hold on. And I got some people from New York watching me. Hold on. All right, so it says I'm a done for you business funding agency. You can put credit repair, whatever applies to you, right? I work with small business owners. I help them acquire business funding, typically 0% interest for 12 months. What did I show you over here? Right? 35K approval for Luis. He's gonna get more. Through my knowledge of personal credit and various banking relationships. What did I do over here? My bank relationship manager helped me get that, right? And then I just know how to structure the report to maximize the funding. So I want to make YouTube videos that target high intent keywords. Why am I talking about high intent keywords? I'm talking about high intent keywords because the whole purpose of your content is to rank high on SEO. You're looking for search terms that people are searching, right? This is how you hack the algorithm. Even if your content, let's say your content is trash, hypothetically, right? Hopefully it's not trash, but let's say it's trash, it's not valuable, you're not adding no value, no nothing. As long as your title, as long as your thumbnail can grab that attention, you're gonna be good. It's more so about the title because when people are searching, they'll be able to you'll rank high basically. So I want to make YouTube videos that target high intent keywords that only people who are seeking business funding would ever actively be searching for. So get super specific. Can you please generate me some YouTube video titles? Boom. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it in Claude.ai. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, let's see what we talking about. Let's see what we talking about. Let's see what we talking about. So we got 10 video ideas, right? 0% APR business credit card, step-by-step guide for small business owners. Okay, cool. I could create a video on that. And I'm going to do something like that. What banks don't tell you about business credit lines in 2025? Okay, cool. I could do that. 5 fastest ways to get business funding with no revenue requirements. That's dope. Business credit cards versus business loans. Which is better for your small business? That's dope. How I help my client get 150K in business funding with no card credit pull, right? So you can go with that too. You understand that with the business, what's it called? Credit card. Some are pre-approvals, but even if it is a hard pull, you can get it removed if it's not like Capital One or Discover, one of the ones that reports on the personal. The truth about 0% APR business credit card stacking, etc. So y'all get the point, right? So you got 10 available videos you can do right here, right? And they said, for example, you could create specifically about what? Success stories. Do I not always tell y'all about case study videos? Doing case studies. That's your bottom of funnel content. It's gonna get people that want to do business with you, right? So you can talk about application process. You can talk about credit requirements, industry specific funding. So I say that to say, if you're not creating content, you stupid because I'm showing you the video right now on how to do it. I don't want to hear any more that I don't know what content ideas to create. I don't know what niche I gotta be in. I don't know this. I don't know this. I don't know this. If you don't know, you're not gonna know about the money, right? If y'all trying to get to the money, if y'all trying to be more successful, if y'all trying to establish that personal brand, you have to know. And I just showed you how you're gonna know. You just go to the damn prompt. You can use Claude.ai. You can use ChatGPT. You can use whatever. Type something just similar to this prompt that I just gave you. Like, stop making it so difficult. So stop overthinking. So your goal with content, like I said, is simply to rank in search engine optimization based off of your titles. So those titles that we just looked at is going to rank high. Use AI. AI is here for a reason. Back when I started, I was not using no damn AI. I was just coming up with ideas, using Answer the Public, So keep that in mind. Why is that important? Why do we want to rank high? Because more eyeballs means more conversations, and more conversations means more money. If you're trying to get richer, you've got to create content, right? Because you got to remember that 1 to 1 is sales, 1 to many, which is your content, like what I'm doing right now, that's marketing. So if you're pre-selling people in your content, it's going to be more powerful. Some of y'all are being pre-sold right now because you've seen that I'm giving you this valuable, useful information. So this is going to play into your subconscious mind and it's going to play into your bucket for the 7 hour rule. If y'all don't know what a 7 hour rule is, it's that people got to watch you for like 7 hours before they make a buying decision. And then you're going to do business with me and my company, right? So that's the way that content works. That's the way that you see these big 8, 9 figure business owners, right? They're establishing their personal brand. So they're doing it for a reason. So keep that in mind. The whole purpose of content is to nurture and attract high paying clients, right? So if you're not here to run your business to make money and change lives, I don't know why you're doing it unless you're just bored or something. So the whole purpose is, obviously to nurture and attract high paying clients. If you are a credit repair business owner, funding business owner, whatever, right? Click the link in the description. I'm going to give you a free guide that I created specifically for you to help you attract these high paying leads that are going to turn into high paying clients. So use the guide. use it in combination with what I told y'all in this video, and it's gonna help you really get to the next level. So click the link in the description. Keep watching my videos. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.